In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Vimeo account. We'll move through the process step by step so you know exactly what to click, what to expect, and how to avoid common pitfalls. Before we begin, a quick heads up, deleting your account is permanent and it removes your videos, likes, comments, and followers. If you have anything you might need later, download those files first and make sure you've wrapped up any ongoing collaborations. Start by going to Vimeo in your web browser and signing into the account you want to remove. If you manage more than one account, double-check that you're logged into the correct one, because the deletion applies only to the account you're currently using. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile avatar. Click it to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to your account management area. From here, open the Privacy section. Scroll until you see the option labeled Delete Your Account. Click that, and Vimeo will present a confirmation flow to make sure you really want to proceed. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may be asked to re-enter your password to confirm it's you, and you might see reminders about what will be removed. Read those details so there are no surprises. If you're on a paid plan, keep in mind that deletion is separate from billing. Make sure any subscriptions are handled so you don't get future charges. If you're uncertain, check your billing status first, then return to this screen to continue. When you confirm deletion, Vimeo begins the process of closing your account. In most cases, you'll be signed out and your content will be queued for removal. It can take a short time for all traces to disappear from public view due to caching, so don't worry if you briefly see remnants in search or embeds. That's normal and should resolve soon. If you only wanted more privacy and not a full deletion, remember that the privacy area also includes controls to change who can see your videos, disable embeds, or restrict access, useful options if you're unsure about permanent removal. But if deletion is the goal, once you've completed the prompts, you're done. That's the entire process. Go to Vimeo, open your profile menu and settings, head to privacy, click delete your account, and follow the prompts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the task with confidence.